Yeah, hello, good day. How are you doing? Um, it's another day of learning to trade and learning from the mistake that I've made. There are a bunch of them that I still have to go through, check them, write them, you know. Yeah, so it's another day, which is actually day 10. I'm not mistaken, it's day 10. So it's day 10 of learning to trade, as you can see, day 10. So days ago, I've not been trading for a couple of days. Um, it was day 9, and then today is day 10. At the meantime, it's yeah. Let me add this one. Today's date is 17 June. Let me write June 2024. Yep, there you go. So it's day 10 of 60 days, and today is 17 June 2024. So what are we looking for? The first thing that I should be looking for is the, the condition. The strategy that we operate with is chest. First, we look for condition for all our condition that have to be met, and then second, we look for entry. Then we look for stop loss. Look for stop loss. Then we look for target. So before we place the target or where we're supposed to be targeting, we have to know where we're gonna place our stop loss from there on. So as you can see, we're gonna be having it's Euro USD. This is Euro USD. No, Euro JPY. So today what we're doing is analyzing Euro JPY. So first thing we have to look for condition, which is step one, identify the trend. So right now we can see that clearly we are in a downtrend. The reason why I say so in here in 4 hour is due to that as long as this high there is one, is it has not been broken, and then price tried to retrace to come into this area, and then it does not break this area right here, this level, not area right now, but it's a level. This level right here is it has not been broken, as you can see right here. Price created a higher high, higher low, and then it started to create a lower high, lower low, and a lower, and then another higher high, which was supposed to close above this higher high right here, but price failed, and then tried to do it again, and price failed. So right now we can see that right now we're in a downtrend. So also by a confirmation of 200 moving average right here, uh which was supporting now the main thing that I'll say, don't look so much in moving average. It may confuse you, but you can see right here in the lower time frame, which is the 1 hour. So right here coming back, just to hide this one anyway. So as you can see, as I've said, we're in a lower time frame, we're in a downtrend in a lower time frame too. Right here, we may show you that we're gonna be in an uptrend. But second step second step is identify. I've identified a trend, and now we are supposed to identify a counter trend or a continuation. Right now, we will say it's a continuation to the downside. Due to that, this support right here was broken, and also this support here was broken by price retraced, came back, and there's two things. We have a broken structure, and then also we have no some sort. We do have a counter trend from like where the price it is right now. From right here is where I'll be focusing in or on right here. So right here you can see that price it has been from where I am for price it is where the price is. We have our counter trend right here, because the definition of right here what I have a counter trend is the level that when we look at the left or below or above the price, there is a level of support of resistance. Right here we have a level of support of resistance. Sorry, I have a level of resistance. Okay, I have a level of resistance right here, and then we are supposed to be looking what counter trend, a level of support. So since this one, we just have a level of resistance, which is a counter trend. We don't have a level of support. Counting this one, so what I'm expect. So yeah, we have a level of support, and then the next thing that I have to be looking for um is whether this level right here is a strong level, which it will be like a strong level. To know that is a strong level that will push the price down, continue to push the price down, it's when it has been tested multiple times. So we treat this level right here as a zone. We don't treat it as a just single trend line whatsoever, but as a zone. As you can see, this level right, this one now, it's a zone. It has been tested multiple times. If I may just scroll down just to include this one, just to include this one, yes, it has been tested multiple times by price by, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So this is a potential area that will hold price, will cause the price to push down. So let's go to a lower time frame. So as you can see, right in this area is an area of resistance, correct? And then we have this area right here, which has been broken. Price is still pushing up. So what are we waiting for is price to come into this area right here, or in the box right here, or in this zone right here, and then go down. That is what I'll be waiting for. Price to come into this zone and then close, show some bearish momentum, then I will be in a trade. So that is what I'll be looking for before and before the market close. The not the market, I mean before the London session close, not the market but the London session. Because right now, as you can see, we're still in a London session. London session, you see. So that'll what I'll be looking for. In the strategy, I still have to test it to multiple charts, multiple currencies, not charts. Still same note, no. Yeah. So that is something that I'll be waiting for. So let's go in depth because I have something that I've included so far from today, like not from today, but what I've included is an order block. So right now, what we're looking for is an order block. So the way that I do identify order block for me is to go to the higher time frame because that is where I feel like, not I feel like, but it's where price like major institutions or big institutions and big bankers, they will place their orders at higher time frame, which is the 4 hour and the 1 hour, mostly by 4 hour and the daily and 1 hour too. So here, right here, we have an area of resistance on of or an order block, which price has used, right? And then again, we do have another order block. So this one I'll supply. So as you can see, that is an order block of supply. It's an order block of supply right there. Um, yes. And then right here again, it's an order block which has been used, which it will be considered as an invalid order block, but I'll just place it. That is an order block right there and right here. So this is a 4 hour order block. So it's something that I have to include. Be like, okay, for HR. So we have in 4 hour order block. So what we'll be looking for is price to come into this area and show some rejection candlestick, which will be the bearish rejection. For right now, what I'll be doing, since I'll be scalping into this time frame, so what I'll be doing is I'll buy from this area right here, because here's the reason why I would consider to buy. Reason to buy, because right here, as you can see, that we have an engulfing candlestick right here, which engulfed the previous candlestick in the 4 hour meantime. It's in the 4 hour. We have an engulfing candlestick right here, and then price, since we are expecting it to come into this area right here, to this zone right here, to the order block, and show some rejection weakness. So I'll be targeting from 60 pips. No, actually 120. So my risk to reward ratio actually is 1 to 2, which is 120, and then my stop loss, it will be like 60 pips. 1 to 2, which is meaning like I'm risking 60 cents just to gain 120. No, to gain two, not two, but a damn man. I'm risking 60 cents to gain uh to gain $1 actually. Yes, correct. That is my risk to reward. So I'm just decided just to be in the trade. So that is what I'll be looking for. As you can see right here, it's clear. Having this resistance, there we go. Oh, as you can see right here, um that price is gonna sell because of 200 moving average. It's below the 200 moving average. It's below the price, showing us that we're gonna have some sort or some bearish momentum. And also, what I forgot, damn, is to justify or to confirm my confirmation. So my confirmation actually for order block is by straight extending my order block to the left to see whether this order block has been tested multiple times or caused a major move. Right, as you can see, this order block has been tested multiple times and it has caused a major move. That at the same time, right here, it's a major move when you go to the lower time frame, and then right here is being tested as support, and right here as a resistance. So meaning it's showing us it's a good to sell time. So I'm gonna do so. So yeah, that is the analysis for Euro JPY. Yeah, that is the analysis for Euro JPY. So when I go to a lower time frame, my 1 hour, this, which is my 1 hour right here. So I'll, what's that? As you can see, the 200, not the 200, but the order block of the 4 hour, it has been tested multiple times, showing me that this also area, it can be an area of resistance. This, oh yeah, let's talk about target and stop loss. So my stop loss, I want my stop loss. Right now I'm going crazy into this one. So if price truly come into this area, I want my stop loss to be right here into this resistance, and then my target to be right here. And then let's see, huh, which is not making a beautiful sense right now, because it seems like I'm risking 180 and 80, which is somewhere to four, because $100, it's 100 pips, it's $1, and then 100 pips $1 for, so I'm risking $4 just to gain another 100. Hmm. No, I'll go for three. No, two actually. Two. So that will be how my stop loss will be. Correct. I think, yeah, now I'm done. I'm done. For sure. I'm done. Ah, yep. Today is another day again. I got some good news actually. I got really some pretty good news, badass good news. Okay, remember my analysis was that before price, but yeah, I said price is gonna come and be rejected into this area. So I was targeting this area, but it seems it never came back from since then. But however, beside my targeting, you can see price that truly came, like it came from this right where there was an order block that was tested multiple times and got rejected, and it did got rejected. It's just the way I enter is the way it came. It's sometimes like slowing me at the moment, because you can see from this uh zone where I expected price to be rejected, it did got rejected, came back, and then it bounced, and then again, it came back, it got rejected, come back, it got rejected again, and it come back. So it keeps on being rejected at this zone or the other block that I drew. Since you can see that the zone actually, the actual zone was broken, but the price was following the other block that we marked. And truly, it came, grabbed liquidity, and it goes down. It trend down again. So you can see the strategy works. It's just a matter of time. When is it could be like the biggest factor that may try to hinder me, I may say. Definitely. Because you can see that by this time it was a London session. As in London session when price got rejected here. And then again it was Wednesday, New York and Sydney. So you can see as I feel like I'll be scalping, like I wanna scalp actually. I need like I wanna like scalping make me profits. Oh, that is the best affirmation. I should write that one down. Scalping make me profits. So yeah, that's as you can see. And then after that, this is after, right? And then after that, when price was rejected and I saw it coming here, I entered this trade because here we truly did had like a shooting star candlestick, and it was followed by a bearish candlestick, and then right here it was followed by a bearish candlestick, right? No, not yes, bearish candlestick. And then the other reason why I entered it was because the previous resistance, the role reversal rule applies. Because of this resistance was here, it had to become a support in the future. So you can see that my entry reason was strong because of these two factors. A shooting star followed by a bearish candlestick, which made an engulfing candlestick, and then we had a role reversal, which previous resistance had to become support. And as you can see, as I see right here, truly price became support at the future time. And I end up adding more entry place I will enter, but I didn't. Here we had a break of structure, and then we had an order block. Look what happened. Truly price came, retest this order block, and still going up. So that was the analysis that I had for day 10. Yes, these are the analysis that I had for day 10. Thank you.